I'm looking good and everything. Yeah, I got the family back there doing whatever they're doing. But yo, it's about to be nice up in here. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Oh, that feels so weird. I need to shave my legs because I can feel like all my hair. There's a bird over there. What else we got over here? That's fast. Can y'all see? I can't see what I'm seeing on my phone. But yeah. Whoa.
It goes higher now.
But like, we really out here recording on the beach.
Oh no,
I wish my
that tan line
it just went
guys.
lower.
I'm so sorry.
But yeah, I wish my boys were here, bro. But like, I got my brothers here too. It's alright, but it's whatever. I'm in Port Arthur, you know, enjoying my time. I don't even know how good I look right now, but like, you know, they were saying I look like Salt Bay, bro. At Kevin, bro. At Kevin, he told me I look like Salt Bay. Oh, I forgot to take my shirt off. That's the. Hold the phone. Oh wait, are you sure you're not gonna drop it?
No.
Okay. Hold the phone. It's like no, don't like just hold it. It's right here. Take the shirt off. All right. Ooh, that was scary. That was really scary. I have trust issues when it comes to my phone and water. I was like, damn, they're gonna drop it. I'm gonna have to sue somebody, bro. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we up here in Port Arthur visiting family and shit. And like, I'm about to upload. I'm not even gonna edit this. Well, I might edit a little bit. I might add some music. Who knows? Who knows what I'll do with this video, man? If it's good, I'll post it. Like, oh, my dick. But, I hope my mom didn't hear that. Bro, I think my mom knows about my channel now because I was talking about it earlier. Now she's gonna go look at it. She's gonna be so disappointed. My brother making fun of me for bringing my phone with the ass nigga. Look at it. That's why you're fat. Nah, I'm just kidding. I have nothing against fat people. My mom's side. That was mean. But she's beautiful. Anyways. Oh, I'm like almost waist deep, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I should take my shit back and like, I don't know, record something else because I'm like in the water right now and it's wild. Bro, this is salt water. Let me taste it. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna taste this shit. What? No puedo escuchar tú. Wait a minute. I think it's going down. Oh, I hope my glasses don't get killed. It's going down, bro. It's going down. It's just at my waist. What'd she say? What? You probably can't even hear nothing. It's so windy out here. It is windy out here right at this moment. Right now, it's windy, bro. So I'm sorry if you can't hear nothing. But yeah, we going back, I guess. These niggas. Ah, wait, I'm gonna go out here with you alone. Cause like, water just getting low right here. I just hope my glasses don't fly away. Look, it's a bird. This National Geographic out up in this hole. Oh my god. The commentary though is so fucking hilarious. The alright, we got some wave niggas doing their thing, being waves, waving at the beach. How come? You know why? The ocean is so sad because the land doesn't wave back. Oh, that was higher. Bro, there's a shark out here. I'm out. I just realized there could be sharks out here. And jellyfish. Oh, hell no, I ain't trying to get shot. Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Fuck, what was it? What was the fucking thing? Oh, it's waist deep again. Oh my god. God, I'm gonna change my vicious animal. It's a vicious animal. Oh my. Almost fell, bro. The mud started sinking my feet in. I almost died. But I'm wearing these goggles. I bought these. Marco broke my other ones, but I bought more. I got more. I don't know if y'all seen the other ones. I'll have a picture. I'll put a picture in this video of me with the other ones. Now I'll add another picture with me with these. Oh, I can run. Running on the beach. Or in the beach, I don't know. How you get in a car but on a bus? I have no idea. Top 10 questions science can't explain. Something like that. Just like with the ocean, bro, it goes up and down. And what's leap tide? I know what low tide and high tide are, but my brother apparently knows something about leap tide. I don't know who that is over there. Who are y'all? I don't know. I'm about to run over to my family and get them in this video. Oh man, I'm so tired. Oh, I should probably put my phone up too. I don't know. I recorded enough, I guess. I'll record more later. That's my brother. Again, I don't know his nickname. Chug-a-lug. Chug-jug. I'm gonna call him Chug-jug. That's my mom.
What's that?
Yeah, I'm FaceTiming Kyle. Kyle. I'm FaceTiming Kyle. That's my aunt. That's my great grandma. Yeah, we at the beach though. I'll show you. I'll record more later actually. You know what? I'll record the rest of this video later. Because I'm actually trying to have fun in the water, so. Yeah, never be on your phone a lot when you're around with family. Because you gotta spend time with your family, bro. You never know when it's gonna be the last time. Rest in peace, my nigga X, by the way. But yeah, I thought I ended the video on accident. I was about to be like, no. But yeah, my grandpa in the truck still. I don't know why. But I'm gonna put my phone up. Hey look, there's shells waiting here for me. Oh my god. Look at you. That's what I used to come and collect shells so I can make necklaces out of that shit. But yeah. Alright, well, I'll see y'all later. So I just stopped jamming out to talk to you guys. Somebody on my name. Ah! What? I'm blind. Come here. I guess I'm going in the water now. But damn, you look like Salt Bae, nigga. You sexy ass motherfucker. Oh my god. Alright, anyway. My bad. I get, you know, self-love. Too much self-love. But yeah, I'm walking in the water right now, as you can tell. Low tide. I'm trying to get high. Yeah. Nah, I'm good. But anyways, I'm walking out here in the water and shit. There's a fish right there. It just jumped again. What is that? Y'all see that? Hold up. Where the fuck did it go? No, but y'all heard that, right? I swear, if I turn this camera around and it happens again, I'm gonna beat myself up. I don't know, that was weird. Y'all heard that? But I don't know, I saw that. I wonder if that left more reflection on my glasses. But anyways, I talk a lot, don't I? Well, it's because I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to y'all on y'all's phones and shit, or your computer. Some people have computers, I say. Some people have computers. Some people watching this. You're probably at the public library on the computer just to watch my videos. I appreciate the dedication to my channel. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here because they're looking at me weird. All right. I'll be on again in like a couple minutes, but you don't know that. It's gonna be a one thing. All right, bye.